Hello and welcome to another build guide. This time it's Feral Druid Shapeshifter. First thing we do is to put our summons again on the skill bar because they are kind of bugged after you enter the dungeon or teleport to a new location. This build is Claw and Pulverize. First skill is Claw. Here we use Poison, because we also use a passive which gives us slow to all poison targets, and this gives us damage bonus from crowd control, which is on items too. Here we have 30% increase for the core skills. Pulverize is the main skill, so we max it. 1 point into overpower. We don't need stun, so we saved the point for something else. Here we have 1 point in cyclone armor, only from items. It's all we need. Then we have Ravens. Ravens are for crit chance, so we use additional to Ravens. Other summons are only from this from the items. Here is the slow, as I said. It's synergized well with this Earth 15% bonus to crowd controls, and here we have another 15% from changing the forms from the Shapeshifter skills. It well synergizes also with this item. Which gives us 40 to 45. 45 also gives us extra 2 ranks for Earth skill, which now works for Pulverize because we have these items which makes Pulverize Earth skill. Here we have damage reduction for base skills, some boots. This gives us the wave to the Pulverize. This gives us extra damage for core skills for each companion. This is from base skills, extra damage to core skills, basic attack speed, and cyclone armor for another damage reduction. This is party buff. Let's watch the gameplay.
I'm not ready yet.
It's pretty simple. All you do is using base skills. They skill as soon as you have enough spirit for the Pulverize, and again and again. Every 10 seconds Pulverize is overpowered, so it do a great ton of damage. This is it. I'll let you watch the gameplay. If you want to see more, please subscribe.
I must wait a moment. I must wait a moment. Wait a moment. I'm not ready yet. I must wait a moment. I must wait a moment. I'm not ready yet. I must wait a moment. I'm not ready yet. I must wait a moment. I must wait a moment. I'm out of spirits.